Hi guys, I'm Bree.
And I'm Lindsay.
In this video, we are breaking down our dance to No Broke Boys step by step in 8 counts. So go ahead and follow along with us, and by the end, you'll have our whole routine.
Watch me because I'm going to be doing it from the back, and Bree's going to be doing it from the front.
Hey guys, really quickly, we wanted to add in a segment of us showing like which 8 count was hard for us.
And break it down real slow for you.
Yes. Okay, so Lindsay's gonna go first with her 8 count. That was difficult for her.
So the hardest part for me was this one, getting that snap out. So I'm going to break that down in the 8 counts right before. So we just finished this, 7, 8. Stepping forward with your left foot and getting that right hand on top is 1. This was so hard. 2, 3, 4, and then left hand comes on top. 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's the hardest part for me. I could not get this snap.
Trips you up.
Yes.
The fast music, it really just trips you up.
Yes.
And the hardest part for me was the groundwork, the floor work with the fast music. So my 8 count is right after her. So 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, kick, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, 3. Yeah, so it was difficult for me mainly because we don't get to do it that slow with music. So let us know below what 8 count was hard for you guys.
And we can break it down for you in our next video if you like.
Yeah, so that is the whole dance. If you learned it, go ahead and hit that like button down below and subscribe. We will be posting weekly dance videos to trending music, so stay tuned. Go ahead and hit that notification bell as well.
Let me know what the hardest part of the dance was for you. Comment down below. Let me know what the hardest part was.
Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
Like and subscribe. Bye.